Join us for a free CPD-accredited event
at Ordnance Survey in Southampton
on the 7th of July.
Meet the team.
Understand the benefits of NGD
Directly from the creators.
from live Q&A
To interactive workshop.
Network with fellow professionals.
We'll keep you fueled throughout.
Learn from the experts.
On subjects such as 3D modeling,
pre-data,
risk reports.
And utilities.
there are even tours of OS.
Don't forget you'll receive CPD hours too.
That's just an overview. Join us on the 7th of July. Claim your ticket today.